Let's get you the details, the dramatic turn of events that happened last night beyond midnight at the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru. Prajwal Revanna, the suspended JDS leader who's facing allegations of allegedly sexually abusing several women, was arrested by the SID probing the case minutes after he landed at the airport. Dressed in a grey jacket hoodie, off-white track pants and white sneakers, he was escorted out of the airport by police officials around 1:10 a.m. He was directly taken to the SID office in Bengaluru, where he was put through preliminary questioning. Upon his arrival, we are told, as far as the JDS MP previously had filed his anticipatory bail before his arrest, we've also accessed that went on to say that he has been denying the allegations against him, something that he said in his self-shot video as well. He's been contending that the electronic evidence against him has been fabricated, and the opposition has been trying to frame him. This is nothing but political vengeance, and that the pictures and the videos have been morphed to damage his reputation.
After over 30 days since an FIR was filed in the Prajwal Revanna case, finally the JDS MP and the candidate once again from Hassan has been arrested by the SIT here while he arrived at the Kempegowda International Airport Terminal 2. He was, of course, immediately taken from here, not brought out, where the media cameras were, or where, they possibly thought his supporters could create any sort of ruckus or there could be a frenzy. He was taken through the cargo bay, and there was another decoy vehicle that was, moved ahead, and then there was another vehicle with him and the SIT officials that made its way to the SIT office. Now, the latest updates that we have is that there will be, of course, just a few basic line of questioning that will be conducted tonight, after which, he will be allowed to rest because it has been a long flight. But the drama begins tomorrow as, he's going to be taken for a medical checkup at the Bowring Hospital at about 10:30 a.m. Later, he's also going to be produced before a magistrate where they're going to seek his custody for further questioning. And meanwhile, his bail hearings as well scheduled to come up in the courts. And other than that, his family members, his mother's bail orders, and his father, who has already got bail, the SIT has moved the High Court, seeking cancellation of that. So all of these, of course, comes up. We at Times Now, of course, will keep you updated on all these tiny bit of details as far as the investigation and all the drama and the politics in this case is concerned. But finally, it seems like the wheels of justice have turned, and Prajwal Revanna right now in the custody of the SIT.
I don't want to comment anything on that issue. He has to attend SIT. He's already mentioned he's attending SIT tomorrow. The SIT will take care of that.
Now, as far as Prajwal Revanna has returned, the probe has intensified. The vacation mode is now over. It is now the law that proceeds and takes its own course. We are told, as far as his phone and passport is concerned, that is likely to be seized. This is the inside scoop that is now coming in, how the SIT would be proceeding. In a short while from now, we're also expecting that he'll be taken out for a medical test before he's produced before the court.